Alright, here we go. I'm gonna unbox our things, but first we're gonna compare the different boards we have. Right here's my car stick. This is my original car board, and you know, it was good for its time, but very different from the other setups that we have now. Mostly for carving. Good deep carves and whatnot. But I don't know. Pretty much not a big fan of that board anymore, but I still have it. This, my Sector 9. Now my Sector 9's got the Waterborne adapters. If you go up here, you can see right there how the trucks move. It's the adapters are really just these things that attach to your board, and your original truck's attached to it. They add some height to the board. Right there is my new shark wheels. Yep. One thing I don't like about this, the added height to the board. It just feels weird, but you get used to it. This is my new YOW. The Pyzel Shadow. I'm really excited about getting this one. Let's see. Get this thing out. It's hard to do because the camera in, so let's see if I can get that. There we go. So, yep. See, the trucks are different. These are straight up surf trucks connected directly to the board. The YOW tag here. Your own wave. See, they partnered with Pyzel surfboard makers. You got the YOW truck set up with the Pyzel board makers. I really like this one. It really looks like a surfboard. My brother has a board like this, and I really know that he had one, but I got it anyways. And it turns out, you know, he's got Pyzel surfboards. I got Pyzel surf skateboards. It's pretty sick. I like that it's white. Kind of feels like a board. I pick it up. It's like, you know, get that feeling of surfing. You see how the trucks move like that? And they're really dramatic. They don't have a stopper like the Waterborne does, and you can see me, I'm basically pushing it all the way down. It could pretty much touch the board, so you carve really deep on that, you can get wheel bite. Really sucks, but you gotta be pushing it really crazy to get to that point. You see all the bubbles on this? I don't really like that too much, but it's fixable. You know, it was all laid nicely. It's just it got these bubbles here, so I just had to press them out. You know, they come right out. So shortly after this segment here, you know, all the bubbles are gone. So I'll fix it up a little bit. But yeah, I like the feel of this. Trucks are pretty much like the Waterbornes, except it is lower to the ground because basically it's just like regular skateboard, wider than my Sector 9. Alright, here they are all together. See, the Sector 9 with the Waterborne has height on it. I don't know if we look at this angle. The width on the Pyzel, the YOW Pyzel, pretty solid. Like it. Yep. There it is. Let's take another closer look at the Pyzel. It's wheels. 51mm 76A contact. The truck's there. And let's stand it up here. Pyzel, no more flat days. Your own wave. Yeah, I like that. No more flat days. Gotta just find me some hills. Let's play with it. Now this little area of my house, Sector 9 with the Waterborne and the car stick, couldn't get it so well. But the YOW Pyzel shadow board. Yeah. Feeling pretty smooth.